Hey, what's going on guys, I'm Ryan, welcome back to the channel, welcome to another video. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Today, in this video, let's have a look at this tablet from Teclast Model 40S. This is a downgrade from the Pro, cheaper version, but nevertheless this one is packed with features like the amazing screen, Full HD, IPS 10-inch display, metal body, Octa-core CPU, 4 gigs of RAM, and you can use your SIM card. This one has 4G, and guys, the battery 6000 milliamps hour USB Type-C charging. I'm gonna put it to the test. I'm a fan of the brand. I have two other tablets that I use every day to watch YouTube, etc. Let's start with a quick unboxing, and then I'm gonna put this tablet to the test. Let's play some games, watch some videos, check the colors. Before that guys, if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for your support. Alright, so let's start with the unboxing. Okay, so this is everything you get in the box. You get the M40S, the power brick, USB cable, in this case Type A to Type C, warranty card and user manual. So the tablet comes already with a screen protector on. There's a bubble there. Yeah, you got the normal volume rocker here on the side, power button. At the top you got your SIM tray, you have your SD card slot there and SIM tray as well, all in one. Headphone jack, camera on the back, got your port there alongside the buttons. At the bottom you got the two speakers, and on the side there's nothing. On the back just the camera there. Very typical Teclast. I'm a big fan of this Teclast brand. I do have my old tablet that I use every single day to watch YouTube, and another one that my kid uses as well for YouTube Kids. I also have a power bank, 20,000. So anyway. Alright, so this is how the tablet will look like from factory. The only thing I did here guys was I installed the over-the-air update, so this is up to date. Let me just show you really quick the about. You can see it supports 2 SIM cards and is running Android 11. There is not a lot installed on this tablet, as you can see guys. Just Google basic apps, YouTube Music, and that's basically it. So we got the radio, nothing else there. And as you can see from factory, we're using 14 gigs already. There's not a lot there, but still it's taking 14 gigs out of 128 gigs of storage. Guys, let me just install the apps that we need to do our tests. Okay guys, so I put the cover on so I can have the tablet here. So it's a pretty nice cover. You got this fabric effect, like plasticky, with Teclast there. I'm going to leave a link down below for the cover. Of course, the camera will be poking out. Yeah guys, so far I'm enjoying this tablet. I installed everything we need to do our tests. First, let's start with the speed test. And as you can see, you got no issues here, 275. I know sometimes you'll get around 400, 500 using the Wi-Fi, but yeah. And the upload to 209, so pretty fast Wi-Fi speeds here. As you can see, no issues here. Okay guys, so let's move on. As you can tell, looks alright. So like we normally do when we do our projector reviews, this is a good example. Hopefully you guys can get the idea of how the colors look like. Let me try to turn off the lights. IPS screen, of course the resolution 1900 by 1200, slightly bigger than a 1080p. Looks pretty good if you ask me. This is a very good example as well. In terms of viewing angle, it's not too bad either. For the price, this is the entry level. This is the 40S model. It's not the Pro. You can see here the skin tones, the details on the bird. 4K video. Playing 1080p 60 FPS. And another thing I noticed, it's pretty snappy. So you don't get any delays, nothing crazy. Not too bad, right? With this Netflix app, you can see you can go to the highest resolution available on the tablet, 1080p, so you're not going to lose any quality, which is very good. Thumbs up for that. You can zoom in. Yeah, to watch movies, guys. If you go on a trip on the airplane, for example. And one thing I noticed, pretty quick. Yeah. And on Netflix, you also have the option to do this. The video will keep playing there, and if you want to play a game. Yeah, guys, as you can tell, no issues here playing this game. It's a heavy game. In terms of the sounds from the speakers, of course you got the two speakers there. When you hold the tablet, you won't be blocking the speakers, which is a good thing. Yeah, guys, in terms of the sound quality from the two speakers, it's not bad, but it's lacking bass. It's good enough for daily use, but don't expect high quality sound, in my honest opinion. In terms of design and build quality, this one has a solid metal body, and in my honest opinion, it's not too heavy. It's a light tablet, easy to hold for a while. The camera, in my opinion, is not the best. Both cameras are not the best, guys, let's put it that way. Yeah, overall I think this is a pretty good tablet for the money. Octa-core, it's pretty snappy, the screen is nice, Full HD 1900 by 1200, and is running Android 11. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, click the like button and please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much. Like always, thank you very much for watching, and hope I can see you all in the next one.